Daikin is the world's leading air conditioning company. Here in Australia, we make ducted indoor air conditioners that are really specifically designed to cool and heat Australian homes. We've been manufacturing on this site since 1982, so 44 years of continuous manufacturing. Australia is really climatically diverse and challenging for air conditioning. So when you select a product for your home or your business, it has to be able to handle whatever the Australian situation can throw at it. And they're also designed to operate with an eye on Australian installations and Australian conditions.
To design a product to cater for those harsh environments, it's a very much a hands-on type process. Having a local manufacturing team and a local design team, we have the ability to touch base with our customers on a regular basis.
So Daikin has a really close relationship with its installers and its dealers and all of its business partners. And we do that so that we can have a deep understanding of the local conditions. And no one knows the product better than the people that have to put it in and deal with the customers and end users every day. We know that having a local factory means we have constant supply of spare parts, and it means we have flexible manufacturing that can adapt to the local market. So innovation is important to Daikin Australia because we have local R&D that's on site here at our factory in Chipping Norton. We can point our R&D resources at specific applications for specific market segments. Daikin takes its environmental responsibilities very seriously, making sure our units are the most efficient, have the smallest environmental footprint. So at the core of our units is the refrigerant they use.
R32 gives you more performance for the amount of refrigerant in the system, which leads to less power consumed by the motors, by the compressor. It's a great privilege to have the Australian-made logo on our products.
It is so credible. People understand exactly what it means and they understand what it stands for. And it gives them confidence that Daikin is absolutely investing in the best possible product to be made here in Australia.
It's very important for Daikin to continue to manufacture in Australia. It grows the economy and it helps families in Australia be supported by the product that the consumer receives.
When I think about what we do and how it improves people's homes, people's workplaces, how we work hard to minimise the environmental impact of maintaining a comfortable home and workplace, I feel really proud of what we do to make a contribution to the local community and to take us forward to the next generation.